You want financial freedom. Of course, I know, but you can't get it by trading time for money. But if you learn how to use any of these 5 AI-powered side hustles to generate wealth, see financial freedom, yes, within 6 months of consistency. You can gain your financial freedom. People like you have tried it and it works, so it's your turn now. Come with me, let's discover it together. The #5 AI side hustle that's quietly making people all over the world $300 plus daily. You know, on this channel we don't gatekeep, we tell you nothing but things that work 100%. If you've been looking for real ways to make money online this year, this is the video you've been waiting for. Hey there, it's Hannah from Hannah's Digital Wealth Academy, your go-to channel for building digital income streams, mastering online tools, and creating true financial freedom. AI is no longer the future, it's the now, and those who learn how to use it are creating serious wealth from home, using just their smartphone or laptop. So today, I'll show you the top 5 AI side hustles that are actually working in this year. Ones that can help you earn up to $300 or more per day, even if you're just starting out. And stick around till the end, because number 5 might just blow your mind. It's something most people don't even know exists yet. So without wasting your time, come with me. 1. AI content creation, YouTube, Reels and blog post. Let's start with one of the most profitable and beginner-friendly hustles, AI content creation. Here's the truth. Content is still king, but now AI can do 80% of the heavy lifting for you. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write scripts, captions, blog posts, and even viral video ideas. Pair that with video tools like Pika Labs, Runway, or HeyGen, and boom, you've got yourself a full faceless content business. One of my students, Joy, started posting faceless motivational videos on YouTube Shorts using AI voices and visuals. In just 45 days, one video hit 400k views, and her channel started earning ad revenue and affiliate sales on autopilot. How you make $300 plus daily. Create content in profitable niches like finance, motivation, AI tools, or business. Then, monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or digital products. And use AI to post consistently without burnout. And the best part? You can stay completely faceless and still build a brand that pays you daily. 2. AI freelancing. Sell AI services on Fiverr or Upwork. Next up, if you've got some creativity and communication skills, AI freelancing is your goldmine. You can sell AI-generated content, voiceovers, video scripts, ebook writing, social media posts, or even AI-powered business automation, all using tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Midjourney. One of my cousin Daniel, a college student who started offering AI blog writing services on Fiverr. He used ChatGPT to create 10 articles a day, charged $30 per article, and made over $300 daily without writing a single paragraph himself. How you make $300 plus daily. Here's a realistic ways to generate $300 plus in a day. Visit Fiverr and create an eye-catching profile that highlights your AI-powered service. Deliver fast, high-quality results with AI assistance. Upsell extra services like SEO optimization or image creation. And here's the kicker: clients love speed. AI lets you deliver in hours what others take days to finish. That's your secret weapon. Number 3 is one of my personal favorites, AI affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions by promoting tools, courses, or products, and AI does the marketing for you. You can use ChatGPT to write email campaigns, captions, ad copies, and even sales pages. Tools like Opus Clip, Descript, or Canva Magic Write help you repurpose one video into multiple posts for all platforms. I know someone who made $8,000 in a month just promoting one AI video editing tool using TikTok and Instagram Reels. They used AI to script, caption, and automate everything. How you make $300 plus daily. Join affiliate platforms like Impact, ClickBank, or PartnerStack, and promote AI tools or digital courses that pay recurring commissions. Use AI automation to post daily and engage your audience. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money while you sleep, because once the system is set up, it runs 24/7. 4. AI art and design side hustle. Alright, this next one is perfect for the creatives out there. AI art and design. Even if you can't draw a straight line, AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Ideogram can help you create stunning artwork, posters, book covers, t-shirt designs, and logos all within minutes. Businesses are desperate to save time and cut costs, so if you can set up a system that saves them hours, they'll gladly pay you hundreds or even thousands. A friend of mine helps real estate agents automate their lead follow-up using AI chatbots. Each setup costs $500 to $1,000, and he does about 5 projects per week. Now, you do the math, that's over $2,000 in a few days. A creator on Etsy started selling AI-generated wall art prints for $10 each. One of her designs went viral on Pinterest, and she made over $4,500 in a single week. How you make $300 plus daily. Use AI to create and upload new designs daily on Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. Offer custom art services on Fiverr or Instagram. Create social media content showing your AI art process to attract buyers. And the cool thing? Every design you upload becomes a digital asset, which means it can keep earning you money for years without you doing extra work. 5. AI automation business. This one allows you to set up systems for others. And finally, the most powerful and scalable one, AI automation services. This is where you help small businesses automate their customer service, emails, or content marketing using AI tools like Zapier, ManyChat, or ChatGPT. How you make $300 plus daily. Offer automation setup on Fiverr, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Use AI templates and pre-built workflows to save time. Charge monthly retainers for ongoing support. If you want to build real wealth, automation is where the money multiplies, because you're not just working hard, you're working smart. Thank you for coming this far with me. So now, tell me, which of these 5 AI side hustles do you think fits you best? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, because I love seeing where you're starting from. And hey, if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to escape financial struggles this year.